खुशी होती है कि मुझे चुनते हैं और हम भी चुनते हैं जिसके साथ चलना है. जब नीता जी का है तो आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर हर. शी इज़ वेरी स्पेशल टू मी. और ये हमेशा कुछ न कुछ अलग किस्म का ड्रेसेस देती हैं. और दिस टाइम शी हैज़ गिवन मी आई थिंक ब्राइड्स मदर्स ड्रेस. दिस इज द mother. So it's something different she has given, and I accepted it. I thought I must explore, and it is looking very nice. I'm happy wearing this.
Well, this is the bridal, and it's, I think, all Swarovskis and crystal work, and it's a beautiful color. Like lavender is one of my favorite colors, and I just feel wow in this outfit right now.
Very clear that I wanted to give Aisha something very bigger and a color that she's never been seen in. And normally Aisha is always a more of a gold because everybody feels that that's the color. But silver, I think, has just done wonders to her, and she's looking gorgeous in the color. As far as Yemaji's outfit is concerned, I wanted to give her gold and ivory because I think she looks like an angel in this color combination.
Well, if you love someone, you make time for them, and I really love Neeta ji a lot. She's designed me right from my first film, and anytime I ever require any outfit to wear for events, I just have to make a call to her, and then she sends me this huge variety of clothes from which I can pick from.
Well, Shane and Falguni have decided to challenge me or give me a 10-foot trail. It was very tough on the stage, but it's beautiful. Or I'm very happy with it.
I'm wearing Shane and Falguni, if you all don't know. And I think I'm looking very good. So I think they've achieved what they're very good at, make me look good because it was a task. I think I'm going to keep this. मैं वापस नहीं देने वाला हूँ, इसको घर ले जाऊँगा.
I don't think I can take mine home.
You cut the trail.
नहीं, आपका वो सिंड्रेला वाला हाल है. मेरा वैसा कुछ नहीं है. तो I think I'm going to keep this.
I think it was for the modern Indian bride. It had Indian wear with a twist, and it was not typically like the typical lehengas which everyone wears. So we wanted to just break the rut. Everyone's wearing the same lehengas and same saris. So we wanted to make them look more sexier, more edgier, and basically it was very now. We had incorporated a little bit of international trends as well in terms of colors and stuff in the collection.
I would think as a bride, when the day comes, I would always want something very, very traditional. But I think today it's changed in my head thanks to them. When they showed me the outfit, I said, this is psyching. This is like cutting edge, fashion, high end. It's very sexy also. It's completely see-through. I don't think my parents would like that. But I think they've changed my mind because as a bride, you want to go traditional, but nowadays I think it's to really stand out, and I think that's what their clothes are. You really stand out.